Hello everyone, today I want to tell you about the gift. Today is Grandma's 80th birthday. I'm giving her a picture, said Gray. I took it with my new camera. What are you going to give her? He asked his brother Joe. I don't know, said Joe. I don't have a camera, so I can't take a picture. Joe goes into the kitchen. His mom is barking. Mom, what are you giving Grandma? I'm baking her favorite cake, said Joy. Joe go to his sister's room. She is busy sweeping Susan. What are you? Go visit Grandma. I'm making a warm blanket, said Susan. I can't sew blanket. I don't know how, said Joe. Cut. Joe then go and sit next to Grandma on the couch. Evie had a present for you, but me, I can take a picture bake up soon. I don't have anything to give you, said Joe. Ma put her arm around Joe. No one else has the time to come and sit with me. That was you can give me, said Grandma Joe. So enclosed the grandma. Happy birthday, he said. Thank you, Jimmy. We don't sit time. Bye.